So now this story is the story behind Ritu Upadhyay. Before Ritu was selected as a news reader in a famous news channel and moderating the panel discussions, she could barely carry a conversation with her classmates. Between ages 7 and 17, Ritu had a major stutter. She used to say, I was a smart kid and had a lot to say, but I couldn't say it. It would just disturb me. I never thought I would be able to sit and talk to someone like the way I am talking to people now. But it all changed when one of her higher secondary teachers encouraged her to try out to read in public after finding Ritu struggling to introduce herself during a self-esteem class. After explaining her the ways and means to build up self-esteem, the teacher kept gently pressing and suggesting her to try accents and character voices to help get the words out, and it worked. By the end of that year, Ritu had overcome her stutter and went on to achieve the successful career she has now. Ritu Upadhyay is basically a news reader in a news channel. So you can think all those news readers should have a great hold on language. They should be able to speak fluently. Like many children are there who are feeling or they have the phobia for English, like they feel shy to speak English. But here I am telling you, all those who are making fun of you, if you are not able to speak good English, let them make fun of you. Their fun should not affect you. You should be targeting to achieve a perfection in English. See, complete perfection is not possible, but you can at least try for it. You should go through some movies with English subtitles. You should read English books. You should go through the grammar structures, and you should talk to your friends also in English. See, these are certain small things. If you are finding a good environment for English, then no one can stop you from speaking English fluently. Like this was same with Ritu Upadhyay. Ritu Upadhyay was very shy type of girl. She had much to say, but she could not say. So when her teacher found her like stuttering and holding her views back, not able to speak fluently, or to say not able to speak or express her views, then that teacher inspired her. Her teacher pushed her to speak, even in the assemblies also. So with those small steps which Ritu took during those school years, she in her career has become a famous news reader as of now. So it all depends upon you children. You have to take those little steps now itself. Even in my school life, because of this Carmel Public School only, I have been able to get this much of achievement which I have got till now. If I would not be here, I would not have got that hold on English, that speaking ability, or that confidence within me. Since you are getting a good environment in this school, you should focus on developing that.